Students, we'll see the experiment number 5, measurement of three-phase power using 2 wattmeter method. Now let us see the aim of the experiment, that is measurement of three-phase power by using 2 wattmeter method during balanced and unbalanced load condition. So first we'll see the apparatus required: 3-phase auto transformer, 0 to 600 volt 50 Hz, 1 AC wattmeter 0 to 600 volt 5 to 10 ampere 750 watt, 2 AC voltmeter 600, 1 AC ammeter, 1 connecting wires few. Now let us see the circuit diagram of this experiment. Supply, 3-phase supply is used. 3-phase supply 450 volts, 440 volts, 50 Hz is supply connected to the TPST switch. From this TPST switch it is connected to the 3-phase auto transformer, so which is having the three inputs and 3 outputs. From this output side it is connected to ammeter of 0 to 10 amperes, and to this it is connected to wattmeter. This is a 600 volt 5 amperes UPF of current coil to the wattmeter, and from this it is connected to resistance R1 and R2. Now from this Y phase it is connected to directly to the Y phase of the load, and across along with wattmeter connected, and B phase it is connected to the current coil of second wattmeter to the B phase of the load. And these next is these all are shorted and made as a neutral point. Now next these voltage coils are connected in parallel and these are shorted along with Y phase, and this voltmeter is connected across the supply to measure the voltage, and this is to measure the current. So this is how the current connection diagram is there for this circuit. Now let us see the procedure part. So the same measuring the wattmeter is nothing but you can measure the voltage power by using these 2 wattmeters, 2 wattmeter method. You can measure the power by using 2 wattmeter method of this load. Right, now we see the procedure part. Make the connections as per circuit diagram. Keep the 3-phase variac as it is a 0 position. Now switch on the main supply and gradually increase the input voltage so that all the meters give the readable deflection. You can just give the small voltage, or you can give up to 400 volts input. So that will tell us different readings. For different voltage you can get a different readings of 2 wattmeter. So note down all the readings of the wattmeters and calculate the 3-phase power. This is the procedure part. So just simply switch on the main supply and give some voltage in 3-phase and note down the readings, and finally you have to tabulate the readings here. 1 volt voltage, current, W1 in watts into factor, wattmeter constant here, and W2. So add these two, P is equal to W1 plus W2, and load will be balanced load. Only for one load you can calculate RYB. Balanced load means you can keep same power watt of load in each phase. That is a balanced load, and then you calculate the values of power. Right. Next, this is about the tabulation you can do, and similarly you can do the tabulation for unbalanced load also, but better it is you can take only for balanced load. Right. So now next you can obtain the results of this experiment, and finally you can write the conclusion for this along with some lab viva questions. The conduction part of this experiment is available in the next video, where you can tabulate the readings and calculate the values of power. Right. Thank you.